Hi, Anil Kumar. How are you?
Good evening, brother.
Okay, what are you doing now?
Yeah, nothing, brother. Just sitting on the chair.
I think you are from Madhya Pradesh and Bhat Bihar.
I'm from Bihar, brother.
Bihar, yes, yes. Bihar, where is the exact location?
Do you know Patna?
Patna, I know Patna. Patna is the capital city of Bihar, no?
Yes, Patna is the capital of Bihar.
Yes, capital city.
Yes, and Siwan is my district.
Shivane?
Yeah, Siwan. Siwan is my district name.
Okay, okay.
Yes. So, brother, tell me something. What are you doing
And
nowadays?
I'm a teacher, no? I'm a teacher and I'm working in a school. I'm working in a resident, and that is especially residential school. That means, and they will provide the hostel facility for the students.
Oh, so are you teaching government school or private school?
Yes, it is the government school. I'm working as a government teacher only, and I'm working as a PGT, postgraduate teacher.
So, what's your level? Are you teaching in the college or in high school or in primary school?
Not college, ninth class and 10th standard, up to
Oh,
10th standard.
yeah, it means high school.
And my subject, I would like to teach mathematics for them. I'm a math teacher.
Oh, you are math teacher.
Yes,
So you like math.
yes, I would like to teach maths and I like mathematics. And I have
Oh,
completed PG, postgraduate in mathematics, and as well as a B.Ed, Bachelor of Education in Maths and Science.
oh,
And so I selected as a math teacher.
oh,
So
great,
what you
great.
are doing?
Yes, I'm a student of 12th class.
12th class.
Yes.
So, how many years you require to complete your graduation?
Yeah, in Bihar, we uh, we require for three years. But now
Three
government has
years.
changed. Yeah, but now government has changed. Recently, what can I say? Before 2 or 3 months, uh, we now we need to 4 years for completing our graduation.
Okay. After
Yeah.
completion of your graduation, what do you want to become?
Yes, after completing my graduation, I will do my MA, master degree.
MED, MED, Master of Education.
MA.
MA, Master of Arts,
Yes, yes.
or MSc, Master of Science.
For that time, I will do MA.
Okay, MA, in MA, what is the specialization of the course? Particular course? MA History or MA Civics or MA what Economics? What? Like
Yes, yes. I want to do my graduation by English subject.
in English only. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So I will. Yeah. So after
What do you want to become after completion of your MA in English?
yes, I want to become English lecturer in the college.
English lecturer. Okay. So, are you
Yeah.
working as a teacher or lecturer, English lecturer or English teacher nowadays in any of the private tuition that like that, in private
Yes.
colleges and private schools?
No, nowadays I'm not going in any institute and any school, but I teach some students at my home.
Okay, I got it. That means you did not start your career still now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, because you did not complete your studies, no?
Yes, yes, yes. Now I'm a student of 12th class. But I have thought after 1 month, I will complete my 12th. It means I will complete my exam. And when I will complete my exam, so that time I have decided I will join any institute for teaching there and I will teach there.
Okay, okay. I got it.
Yes. So, brother, how long do you teach in your school?
So I have been working as a teacher from the last 9 years. So
Yeah.
I worked in many schools, like private schools and government schools. And I got recently a government. I joined in government institution. I got a government job from the before 1 year. I've been
Okay.
working as a government teacher from the last 1 year only. Okay, now before that one, I worked as a private teacher.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
And
Many people they want to get government job.
many people wants to get, but there is a lot of hard work. There will be a lot of hard work, struggle, and the number of posts are very less. That means single digit, 9 or 10 like that, and more number of people giving competition, like thousands of people, hundreds,
Yeah.
thousands, 10,000s.
Yes,
So
we
that's
can
why you
say.
are not able to get a government job.
Yes, we can say that our modern era is very competition. We have
What
to
did you
face
say? Sorry, what did you say?
our
I did
modern
not get
era.
you.
Our modern era.
I did not get your point. Once again, come again.
I can
What you?
say our modern era, our modern generation.
Yes, modern generation. Yes, yes. You're
Yes,
right.
this
Right.
yeah, this is very competition.
Yes, there's very tough competition. There are
Uh,
no government jobs. Very less number of posts are there. And if we want to get a job, and we have to do a lot of hard work.
yes. Because if you are not perfect, then you can't get any job very easy. Because this is
Even
very
if you work hard, there will be a chance of getting jobs with 1 mark and a half mark, and a lot of people are missing the jobs. Suppose if a test contains 100 marks, suppose everybody wants to get more marks, and everybody reaching 70, 70, 80 around like that. Suppose if a person get 85 marks, they will get a job. Suppose if a person 84, and they might not be get a job. So
yes.
those are just less number of chances, even if you work hard.
Yes.
What do you say? What
So,
do you say about the competition?
I my suggestion is also like that because now according to our generation because we can say our vacancy is very low. If you apply any form, if you want to crack any exam, so you will get only very low post. It means you will see what can I say very few chances and
Yes,
that and the number of people are increasing, the number of people are too
yes,
much more.
yes, yes. You're
Yes,
right.
yes, and the number of job is very less, so all people are not able to get the job. So we need to do one thing, that we have to become very perfect, we have to become very
Okay,
unique.
brother, you're from Bihar now.
Yes,
So is there any tough competition in our state? In Telangana, there is tough competition for government jobs. Is there? What about in your area, in your state?
yes, in my Bihar state, there are many top competition like JEE Mains, IIT, and
Okay,
yes, NEET.
okay.
These are very top exams.
Acha, acha.
Yes, many students are also preparing exam.
Okay.
Yeah, but I have decided I will not try to crack any competitive exam because I have thought in my life. First of all, I will complete my 12th, and after completing my 12th, I will do my graduation. And after completing my graduation, I will do my MA. And
Good.
yes, after completing my MA, I will apply a form for exam my UGC NET exam. It means that will be about competition exam for teacher level. And if I will crack that exam, so that time I will be able to get a job.
So anyway, you are great, brother. Why? Because you're just studying 12th class and you're thinking about your career after completion of the 3 years. Next coming years, you're expecting the competition and you're expecting the preparation and you're guessing what kind of career you want to be. So how you want to be in the next coming years, you're planning before 3 years only. So that is very great. Good idea.
Yeah, yes,
We did not plan like that. Just blindly we are going. What after completion of our studies, generally we want to get money. What doing the work and joining in the private institutions and getting a little bit of amount. Why? Because we want to survive ourselves, no? So like
Yes,
that, we went like that. So that is our career, and after that, whenever we get a chance to get in the government sector, at the time we applied and we tried our level best. Of course, luckily we got selected, and we are in a safe position.
yes, yes.
So what do you say?
Yeah, but I have thought for a long time.
Okay, you are preparing from now onwards. You are perfectly planning for your career.
Yes, yes, I have decided, and my plan is fixed.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. So, did you celebrate Sankranti?
What?
Sankranti festival. Today
Yeah, yeah,
Sankranti festival.
yeah, yes. Today is Makar Sankranti festival. Yes, I celebrated at my home with all my family members.
So, what you have done? What people you have done?
I think,
Celebrations.
I think you already know about Makar Sankranti festival, how to we celebrate, and now I'm going to tell you the famous food. All people, maximum people, they eat. Yeah, they eat on the occasion of what can I say, Makar Sankranti festival. So today I have eaten rice paddy and sugar.
Rice. Sorry, I did not. What did you say? Rice.
Oh, sorry. Beaten paddy and corn and sugar.
Okay, okay, okay. Sweet is. I think that is sweet food. Sweet rice.
Yeah. Beaten paddy and corn and sugar. It means chura, dahi, or chini.
Okay, that is the special in your area.
Yeah. Very special food.
Okay. Generally, what kind of the activities your Bihar people doing?
Yeah, just what can you say? In the morning, it means in the morning time. First of all, they take bath and they ready for having their food, having their breakfast. So
Hmm.
after taking bath, they wear new clothes and they sit for food, and they take some sweets and they take curd and beaten paddy and sugar.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
And who is the famous leader in your area? Belongs to Bihar. Sharad Pawar Yadav, or what is the name of that person? One
What
of the person, political leader. One of
political
the
leader?
Sharad Pawar. What is the name of that person? Uh, no, no, Yadav. Yadav coming. What is the name of that person? Politically
Lalu
famous.
Yadav.
Huh?
Lalu Yadav.
Lalu Prasad Yadav. Yadav.
Yes,
He's
yes.
very great leader from your area and very known person to all over India, not only all over India, for the world. Lalu
Yes.
Prasad Yadav
Yeah. He is very famous.
he is from which party, political party, and I don't know exactly.
Congress Party.
Congress party itself. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
What is he doing now?
Yeah, now he's what can I say? Now he's not doing anything because now he's not what can I say, winner of my state.
Acha, acha, acha.
But now they have not got any seat, but they are resting.
And they will give the competition again in the coming elections.
Yeah. Every what can I say? In every election, they
Uh,
they stand for election, but
And they will celebrate any festival like what Holi and grandly from your Bihar state. Bihar people
yes,
are celebrating very what can I say? And I just I got the information through the newspaper, and especially Bihar people, like political leaders and famous persons, will celebrate the festivals like
Holi.
Holi and other festivals also very well.
Yes, yes, yes. We all, yes, and in Bihar, maximum people they celebrate what can I say, Holi.
Okay.
Yes, and Holi is, Holi is very, what can I say, Holi is very favorite and very happiness festival, because uh, on the Holi, we meet with all our friends,
Okay, who
color,
is the Chief Minister of Bihar?
Nitish Kumar.
Nitish Kumar, and from which political party he came? He was selected.
Yes, he is the party of BJP Sarkar, BJP government.
BJP, okay. Bihar also BJP.
Yes.
Bihar also, okay, okay. And last year and before 5 years, Congress, I think.
Yeah, yeah. No, no. Before 5 years. Yeah, that time also BJP Sarkar.
Okay, Bihar means your Jharkhand, the state Jharkhand is divided from Bihar, no?
Yeah, yeah. Jharkhand.
Jharkhand divided from Bihar. And
Yes,
our famous cricketer and captain of the Indian team, former captain Indian team MS Dhoni belongs to Bihar or Jharkhand.
no, he does not belongs to Bihar.
He belongs to Jharkhand.
But I don't know.
You don't know about MS Dhoni, cricketer?
No. Yeah, yes, I know MS Dhoni, but I don't know where does he live.
No, no, Jharkhand itself. He belongs to Jharkhand, I am sure.
Oh,
So Jharkhand, how many kilometers from your area? Jharkhand, another state.
yeah, Jharkhand. It's near.
More than 100 kilometers, 200, 300.
Yeah, like 200 kilometers. But I have never visited. But I have never visited Jharkhand.
Okay, okay.
Yes. So, brother,
Okay.
yeah,
Yes.
this is very long conversation with you.
Very long conversation.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, I joined here just I would like to improve my English. And here most of the people using Telugu in our Telangana. And
Yes,
daily I communicate with my family members in Telugu, and in outside also my colleagues. With my colleagues, I always use mostly I use Telugu only, no. So little bit
yes.
of English only I am using outside. So that's why I joined in this group to improve
Okay.
my English.
So speak one sentence in Telugu.
తెలుగు బాగున్నారా మీరు బాగున్నారా మీ
It,
పేరేంటి
what means?
మీ పేరేంటి మీన్స్ వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్
Oh, but it's very hard for me.
బాగున్నారా బాగున్నారా అంటే హవర్ యూ
Oh,
బాగున్నారా మీన్స్ హవర్ యూ
oh, how are you? But I think you know Hindi. Do you know Hindi?
హిందీ యా యూ కెన్ టాక్ టు మీ హిందీ ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్ హిందీ యూ
Yeah.
కెన్ టాక్ టు మీ 3 or 4 sentences I
आप
will reply
कैसे हैं?
in English.
आप कैसे हैं?
Yes, how are you? mean आप कैसे means how are you?
Yes,
मैं
yes,
अच्छा
yes, yes.
ask me in Hindi 3 or 4 questions. I can reply.
आपका नाम क्या है?
So my name is Sundar. So आपका नाम means what's your name? So my name is
Yes, yes,
Sundar.
yes, yes. You know Hindi.
I know Hindi, but थोड़ा reply करने का problem होता. I can't reply properly suddenly. So
Okay,
I
okay. No.
get. I understand Hindi well, but there is no practice in Hindi, no, like in English also. If we do
Yeah.
not practice daily, we never speak any language. I would like
Yes, yes,
to. I used to speak in Telugu only. That's why Telugu coming to our Telugu. I can speak Telugu easily, and if we use Hindi like that, easily we can communicate.
yes. Everything can be done by practice. If you practice, then everything can be done.
Practice, yes. And especially language is listening. That depends on the listening and understanding, and also replying, speaking.
So, brother, now I want to stop our conversation because this is very long conversation with you.
Okay, shall we
So,
stop?
yeah, bye.
Okay,
Good
bye
night.
for today. Bye. Thank you. Thanks for your calling.
Yeah. Thank you for giving your precious time.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Whenever we get your prime, we will meet again.
Yes.
I think this is the second meeting for us.